Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta gravy at home. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, ripe tomatoes and aromatic herbs. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, then add crushed tomatoes and a splash of red wine. Let it simmer gently for at least 2 hours, stirring occasionally to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. This slow cooking process is key to a truly delicious gravy. To deepen the flavor of your pasta gravy, consider browning some Italian sausage or beef before adding it to the pot. This creates a rich base. Stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste and cook it for a minute to intensify its flavor. A small pinch of sugar, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, can also help balance the acidity from the tomatoes, resulting in a smoother, more rounded taste. Achieving the perfect texture is crucial for a great pasta gravy. If you prefer a smoother sauce, use an immersion blender directly in the pot or pass it through a food mill. For a thicker gravy, simply let it simmer uncovered for a bit longer. If it becomes too thick, a splash of the starchy pasta cooking water will thin it out. Remember to season gradually, tasting as you go for ideal flavor. Once your pasta gravy is ready, serve it generously over your favorite pasta, like spaghetti or rigatoni. A sprinkle of fresh basil and a generous grating of Parmesan cheese will elevate the dish. For those looking to keep their car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Leftover gravy can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.